Hello followers. Do not waste your money for a holiday tree. We will put in front of you 10 types that you can make simply. Before we start, please subscribe to the channel to motivate us.
Number 1. Collect fallen branches in the street and make such a tree. Number 2. As for this one, it is very easy to make from scrap instead of throwing it away. Number 3. All you need to make these is oak chips and some scraps. Number 4. And this is from local marine glass. Number 5. If you are a fan of sweets, this is suitable for you. Do not throw candy bags and make a Christmas tree for this year. Number 6. Here, I made a roll tree from cardboard rolls and then worked in Christmas balls. Number 7. If you are a fan of devices, these are made from damaged memory. Number 8. This is for pizza lovers because they have a lot of pizza boxes, so your tree will be one of your favorite food boxes. Number 9. And movie lovers are definitely the most people who have tapes, and their tree will be the most beautiful. Number 10. As for those who read stories, their library does not lose anything if you make a Christmas tree for them this year.
Don't forget to subscribe, like and write a good comment.